Recently, some Android users keep saying the Bluetooth delay issues with wireless earbuds on Android devices. Because of this problem, the Android user can't listen to music properly. Also, these issues make it impossible to use Bluetooth like usual to share files or use wireless headphones to listen to music. So, after analyzing the issues, I present the top 3 proven solutions that will solve the Bluetooth audio delay problem on the Android device. First, you need to open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap Developer option, scroll down, find out Bluetooth Audio LHDC code playback. Choose to optimize for audio quality 900 kps. Quickly after that, open Setting again, scroll down, tap Bluetooth, now remove the device and reconnect the device again. After this process, now open your setting again. Scroll down, now tap Apps, tap Manage Apps, tap 3 dot, tap Show System Service. Now find out about Bluetooth. Tap Bluetooth, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data. Now before you do anything, check for your update for your device. Now you have found a new update. Update your device. After working with all the processes with your mobile device, you need to reset your wireless device. So you can reset your wireless device. After that, your problem will be solved and there will be no audio delay problem on your Android device. Now, if you still have issues, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.